Thank you for tuning in and watching this brief video how I installed a shower trap. This is a McCann shower trap. Please read the instructions that come with the item to see how it is currently fitted. I use silicone to make a strong bond. You can watch this video to the end to give you a rough idea if you want to tackle the job yourself. Use a nice dollop of silicone around the rim. I put the washer into place, and also I put another dollop of silicone around the actual product before actually placing it, inserting it into place, then screwing up. You need to give it a nice, real firm tug to screw the trap together. Other people use tools to actually wrench it together to make sure it's fully tightened up. I didn't need to do that on this occasion, and it seemed to went through quite well. And it's always best to clean around the edges, as you will see in the video, to make sure everything is there. Of course, always test it 24 hours later, once it's completely bone dry and it's all nicely sealed. Put a jug of water down there just to test if there's any leaks occurring before installing the floorboards into place.